Hey queens, and welcome back to the channel. Are you ready for some serious hair inspirations? Today we are diving headfirst into a stunning collection of over 100 hot and latest cornrow braiding hairstyles, designed specifically for Black women. So get ready to screenshot and discover your next show-stopping hairstyle. What makes cornrows continuously one of our most beloved and iconic hairstyle? It's their incredible versatility and undeniable beauty. Cornrows aren't just a style, they are a foundation for endless creativity. They are an amazing protective style, helping your natural hair thrive by minimizing manipulation and promoting growth. Plus, they offer a clean, sleek look that can be dressed up or down, making them perfect for literally any occasion, from everyday elegance to red carpet glam. So in this video, we have curated everything from the classic straight backs to jaw-dropping Fulani braids pattern, bold zigzag designs, and stunning knotless braid styles. Imagine cornrows that seamlessly transform into voluminous ponytails, elegant buns, or cheek bobs. You will see how to incorporate vibrant colors, dazzling beads, and subtle accessories to truly make your hairstyle a statement. Whether you prefer super neat and sleek or a more textured and free-flowing finish, there is a cornrow style in this video that you would love. This video is packed with fresh ideas that are trending right now. So if you are ready to explore 100 ways to redefine your style, express your artistry, and protect your crown, then these hot and latest cornrow braiding hairstyles are exactly what you need. Get ready to be inspired and find the perfect cornrow look that makes you feel powerful and beautiful. So, which cornrow braid masterpiece was your absolute favorite? Tell us in the comments below. If this video gave you major hair ideas, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel for more braid content and natural hair inspirations. Do not forget to hit that notification bell so you get notified any single time we post new videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.